Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Azizia Frida Savana from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. I would like to presentation about introducing natural dyed shibori fabrics for Muslim community empowerment project in Japan. Several Ishikawa Indonesian Muslim women already have business in the field of fashion online and offline. However, they inform us that sales in Japan are pretty tricky due to a lack of buyers' interest. Based on observation, here is a graph of sales data for one of the fashion business in the Indonesian Muslim community, Ishikawa. Based on the data from 2018 until 2021 and 2022, because of COVID-18, income decrease, and the data show the partners' problem. One way to increase sales is to expand the market by selling product to Japanese people and using natural dyed shibori fabric in the product for Japanese trust. The implementation method in this paper is the lecture method and face-to-face training in several meetings. The lecture method provides material about shibori, which consists of various techniques such as coloring and shibori making. Face-to-face training is used to teach directly the making of shibori technique and dyeing with natural dyes. This is a result and discussion step of making shibori. There are scoring. Scoring is to remove chemical residues on the fabric, and then mordanting is metal binding into the fabric, which is used later to blind the color. Tying, a folding, basting process, a process of forming motif before coloring. And coloring is dyeing pattern fabric into natural dyes, and fixation is a color lacking and removal of corrosive substance remaining on the fabric. Hi, this is the result of making shibori based on before and after the workshop result of participants. There are 6.7% of participants knew about shibori before workshop, and 100% knew about shibori after the workshop. And 6.7% of participants knew about the shibori dyeing technique before the workshop, and after the workshop, they reached 19.5%. 14% of shibori knew about the process of shibori, and after the workshop, 18% knew about the process of shibori. 13% of participants know about the step of making shibori before and after the workshop. 19%. This is a conclusion. All participants could make shibori well with the techniques taught. The result can be concluded that shibori training is successful. They can develop a business with eco fashion for those who have been in the fashion business, and a business idea for those who don't have a business. The natural dyeing technique using shibori is expected to be an alternative in the field of fashion to generate more income for women of the Islamic community of Ishikawa, Indonesia, in Japan, because it is closer to Japanese culture. They can use shibori motif to expand the market not only for Indonesians but also for Japanese people. Here this documentation, and that's all my presentation. Thank you to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and LPM UMY. UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.